This is the unboxing of the AAXA Technologies P300 Pico projector. Maybe I'm pronouncing that correctly. AAXA Technologies. AAXA. AAXA Technologies. Regardless, you can see that it has DLP technology. Pretty sure that stands for Dying Light Plane Projector. It's got vibrant color technology. Let's see, what else we got here? Nope, nothing there. Nothing on that side. Oh, here it says HD. It's great. Long-lasting battery, all right. 100 inches. That's what they all say. 1080p, micro card, USB, VGA input, great. All great. Let's open this thing. Yes, feels so good. It's in this box. Oh look there. Left me card, we'd love to hear from you. Oh, I want to hear from you too. Instructions. Okay. Looks like got some sort of plastic box here. Guess this is the projector. This is pretty small. Ooh. Yeah, this is it. So we got VGA cable here. Oh, it comes with a remote. There are RCA components. And a wall wart. What's this? Also comes with a tripod. Well, that was it. Consider it unboxed. Have fun with this thing.